Welcome back to Investing with Ro, and today we're going to talk stocks, move away from crypto a bit, talk some stocks, and just to take note, this is not financial advice, just for your information purposes and for your education. So today I want to share 4 stocks that I'm definitely keeping on my radar. I think these stocks are long-term holds. Also, there's in some of these stocks there are some good buying opportunities. So the first stock is definitely Apple, currently at $174 per share. It's trading close to its all-time high. Even though it's trading close to its all-time high, I really think that with everything that's happening, technology that's advancing, so Apple just bringing out new products on a regular basis, I really think that Apple's share price is definitely gonna just go higher. I'm of the viewpoint, I'm a big Apple fan, that doesn't matter when you get in now or it drops a bit, just get into Apple. That's my viewpoint. I really think that this share will just go higher. You can see here the market cap of 2.8 trillion. I mean, some analysts think that 3 trillion market cap's definitely within the range, and where Apple is currently trading at $174 there, some analysts are very bullish on Apple. You can see here that their price predictions are anything from $200 to $210. So even though at an all-time high, I really think that it's a great project for the long term to buy and hold. I really think that, with these price targets, I mean, that's 15-20% return from where it's now. The next one on my list is Nike. Probably the most well-known apparel company there is. Also Nike, entering into the metaverse space is quite interesting. I think that's gonna definitely also a long-term hold here, a buy and hold opportunity. You can see, I mean, currently at $133, you can see the 52-week range, anything from $116 to $179. So it's pulled back from its all-time high. Although I really think that if you look at the trajectory of this graph here, the all-time graph, it is just going upward. They had similar to year in 2020 when they had a bit of a pullback. I think they're experiencing something similar now. Also, this is not a speculative share like Apple. I would put this in my long-term portfolio, buy and hold this product. So Wall Street's definitely optimistic about the Nike stock. I really think that there are some buying opportunities now to get in, maybe because it had such a big pullback. Definitely something to get in. Next stock, Starbucks, currently at $91. Definitely probably one of the most well-known consumer retail companies there are. I mean, everybody likes a Starbucks coffee. You can see here it had a big pullback similar to this chart. Looks almost exactly the same as Nike. Had a bit of pullback here in 2020, but I mean, COVID did that. Also had a pullback here, during everything that has happened with Ukraine and Russia. I would say definitely a entry point here. They say that there's some resistance at the $84 level, which is it's very close to that. So definitely looking at an entry point there. Long-term buy and hold opportunity. This. All these stocks that I'm mentioning now, definitely it's not speculative, definitely long-term. Put it in your long-term portfolio, hold on to it, and you're definitely going to see some growth. I mean, look at the trajectory of Starbucks, also just going upward. Even though it has some pullbacks here and there, it's still going to the north side of things. The next one NIO. I really think that this project, it had there was some regulatory crackdown between US and China about accounting issues. You can see it just from its all-time high of just over $60. It's currently trading at a $21. I mean, if you look at the 52-week average between 13 and 55, I honestly think that this is now a great opportunity to get into this project. Hold it. I mean, if it goes back to its all-time high, that's a 3x your money. In stock market, those returns are not, you don't see them often. I mean, stock market returns are 10, 20, maybe 30% returns. So definitely, here's a big opportunity. This one I'm definitely keeping on my radar. I'm going to try and get into this one as well. I think it's a very good buy point at the moment. You can see there some, it's touching at some resistance, some support levels there where it's currently at. And yeah, I think these four stocks, Apple, Nike, Starbucks, and NIO, definitely has long-term. It's a long-term investment. Definitely, it's going upwards. You can see it from the chart, and definitely there are some, especially with Starbucks and NIO, there's opportunity to get into those stocks. Even though Apple and Nike maybe at their, well, Apple's close to their all-time high, but definitely you can, I believe in that project. Definitely, I believe in the company. I really think that $210 a share is definitely achievable. But yeah, please, just a final disclaimer, not financial advice. This is for your entertainment purposes, for your education. And please subscribe to this channel. Let's build this community where we talk crypto, stocks, real estate, and ways to make money online and start your online business.